Thailand reported 35 new corona cases on Wednesday, taking its total infection numbers to 212. This according to a disease control official. To put that into perspective, 173 countries globally report cases, with the UK as an example reporting 10 times the Thai count. Thailand is way down on the global scorecard at 40th place, and that's why we're seeing changes here daily, as the government works to ensure the count remains low. Of the cases here, many are recent, all related to arrivals from overseas, which has seen the strict immigration controls put into place to protect all Thais and non-Thais alike who live here. The Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand has designated 10 more countries as high risk of COVID-19, and citizens of these countries travelling to Thailand are now required to produce proof of health insurance and a doctor's certificate to enter Thailand. The 10 new countries are Spain, France, Germany, Britain, Switzerland, Japan, Norway, Sweden, Denmark and the United States. Per the government's announcement yesterday, before check-ins at airports of origin, travellers must show the documents to the airlines, including health certification, stating that there's no evidence of the disease in the past 48 hours and no signs of sickness in the past 14 days prior to departure. Health insurance in the amount of $100,000 is required for travellers coming from those countries to Thailand, and travellers arriving in Thailand must complete the health form, it's a new form, and truthfully explain where they plan to stay. Anyone with a fever or at least one of the symptoms of COVID must notify disease control officers at the quarantine office at the airport immediately. Those visitors are recommended to implement self-monitoring at their registered hotels or accommodation. Testing kits that can detect the presence of the virus are undergoing trials at Siriraj Hospital in Bangkok. From what we understand, these are similar to those used in the UK and are blood, not saliva tests. The current testing system can take days for results. In the UK, they have the results within 2 hours. We're also told that once approved, all the ingredients required to manufacture them are readily available in Thailand and could go into production within a short time, and that there's already 10,000 kits in stock. Phuket province has introduced closure orders similar to those in Bangkok and Pattaya as of yesterday. Notification has been sent to all business owners affected. Meanwhile, at home and in Pattaya, yesterday saw some bars and massage parlours open for business despite the verbal advisories. Official letters of closure began to be delivered at sunup, and officials were out last night checking to see all were closed. The city is then in virtual shutdown at night. Business owners are scared for sure, as overheads don't disappear as fast as customers, but most understand the importance of keeping to the law in this matter. It's thought that penalties similar to those in the capital will be introduced for those breaking the clampdown. That's 100,000 baht, a review of licensing and a potential jail term. Oddly, as police delivered notices to close, they appear too, in some cases, to have served those notices to eateries, restaurants and the like. Those were expressly left off the closure list, and a review is hoped for this week. It's worth noting too that the closure notices do not just apply to Pattaya City, they apply to the whole province. Jailbirds are going to get lonely as of now too. With schools through to bars closed to avoid close contact, prisons are the one place where they can't be avoided. As a result, visitors are to be banned for the next month. Transfers to accounts can still be done, but anyone turning up at a Thai jail hoping to chat with a lag will be out of luck. And as we reminded you yesterday, all hotels and restaurants remain open, as of course do regular shops, malls, supermarkets and pharmacies. If you're looking to get away, now's a good time. Check them out on Agoda. There's some great savings to be had and some great places to get away from everybody. And with the reminder to wash your hands every 30 minutes and avoid public gatherings, and the Met Office promising highs today of 32, a good chance of showers, otherwise an overcast day, dropping down to 27 tonight. That is the local and national news from Fab FM. For videos and of course to keep up with Fabulous Pattaya, visit alwayspattaya.com.